Sony recently introduced another premium over-the-air headphones called the WH-910N. The high-end wireless headphones offer features like touch-enabled ear cup support for digital voice-based assistant and ANC. The ANC headphones will cost you Rs 21,990 and is available for sale exclusively on Flipkart. It comes in a single black color option. But you might be wondering if this device lives up to the expectation and delivers as crisp output as the WH-1000XM3. Let's find out in this detailed review of the Sony ANC headphones. Wearing comfort is one of the other factors determining the quality of an audio product. A superior wearing comfort undeniably complements high-resolution audio output, and Sony's high-end audio products have always catered to this need of a user. The Sony WH-910 feels like featherweight headphones whose over-the-ear design with larger ear cups is what adds to the comfort. The company has focused on improving the design and has also added some textured pattern on the ear cups to enhance the overall look. The headphones offer good quality padding on the ear cups, which is not only soft but seems sweat-proof. I didn't find my ears getting warm or sweating with a continuous usage over an hour. Besides, the soft cushioning on the headband further adds to the comfort. The large size oval ear cups cover the ear completely, and the thick padding also assists in blocking the outside noise to some extent, even when the device is not in use. That's not all. Similar to the WH-1000XM3, this one also has a rotatable ear cups, which will allow you to carry it around with ease. You can also adjust the headband as per your comfort. The Sony WH-910N features touch-enabled ear cups for media control as its older sibling. You can not only control the media playback but also access the quick attention mode. Let's talk about the gesture control first. You can swipe up or down from the center or the right of the ear cup to adjust the volume levels. To change the tracks, you will have to swipe left and right, and to play and pause music, you would need to double tap on the center of the ear cup. This same gesture is also used for answering calls. We will be coming to the calling quality in a while. It also offers a quick attention mode which allows you to hear the surroundings without taking the pair off. You simply need to place your palm on the right ear cup, which will lower down the volume so you can listen to the surroundings. This is quite a handy feature as it saves you from the hassle of wearing the pair on and off again and again. But it seems like there is a delay of few seconds. Also, you will have to keep your hand placed on the ear cup till the time you want to lower the audio down. The audio turns back up as soon as you remove your palm. While the right ear cup is a storehouse for touch control, the left ear cup packs the manual keys and ports. There is a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone port, and a notification LED along with the power key. There is another key called Custom which you can use to summon Google Assistant. Do note that the headphone also support Amazon Alexa. Once connected, the voice-based digital assistant works perfectly fine, and you can get some basic tasks like calling get done easily. The quality of the keys and ports are also good, and the company has compromised on the quality by packing it with stiff keys. They are rather swift in functionality. Sony has equipped the new headphones with a smaller 25mm drivers but claims it delivers the same pressure as the conventional 40mm drivers to produce full range frequencies. In my testing, I found the pair to deliver output comparably similar to the other premium Sony headphones. This is in regards to the loudness and audio clarity. Moreover, similar to the high-end WH-1000XM3, this pair supports multiple audio codecs and also support the SEE-HX, which is Sony's proprietary audio technology that enhances the audio quality by restoring the high-range sound lost during compression. This feature is primarily used by the company on its high-end headphones and isn't activated by default. You need to toggle it on from the Headphones Connect app, about which we will be talking in a while. As for the codecs, the WH-910N supports SBC, AAC and LDAC Bluetooth codecs. Just like the Comfort, the headphones deliver high in terms of audio output. Play any genre on this pair and you won't be left disappointed. What I precisely liked about this pair is that even without any extra bass support, it delivers punchy bass. It also doesn't muffle or distort the audio when media is being played the loudest. I have played a wide category of songs and could listen to every beat and drop in the background. The vocals are clear and don't get overlapped by the instruments. Thanks to the high resolution audio support, there is a minimum loss in the audio quality when the music is played wirelessly. Its performance with aux cable is also good. You won't find any specific difference in the output. Besides, this pair is compatible with the Headphones Connect app and you can make a plethora of adjustments to the audio. The highlight settings are adaptive sound control and 360-degree reality audio setup. The former allows you to select the mode from staying, walking, running and transport, which is nothing but the ambient sound setting as per the background. For instance, the noise cancellation levels on the transport mode is slightly less compared to the other modes so that you don't get completely disconnected from your surroundings. If you want minimum disturbances, then stay is the setting you need to select. Do note that you can also automatically adjust the ambient sound levels and select the noise cancelling or wind noise cancellation manually using the slider on this window. Moving to the 360 reality audio setup, this feature captures the image of the ear to analyze the ear shape for the best output. Completing the ear analyzing process might need some effort at first, but once the setup is completed successfully, you will be able to enjoy 360-degree sound. You also get the option to set automatic power off, which will basically turn off the pair when not in use after a certain period. The Sony WH-910N is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology for the wireless connectivity and can be connected with smartphones, laptops and tablets with ease. If you are pairing the headphones with any device for the first time, then you need to press and hold the power key until you hear Bluetooth pairing. Now head to the Bluetooth setting on your smartphone or tablet and look for the WH-910N device. There is no hassle in the pairing process as such, and I have been able to connect the pair with multiple devices. Complementing the high resolution audio is the support for ANC. This feature is effective and does a perfect job of blocking outside noises. It is improved than what we have seen on the previous WH-900N. As for the backup, Sony has claimed up to 35 hours with a single charge, which is close to what we have got with the pair playing at over 70%. Also, 10 minutes of charge can give you over 2 hours of usage, which is quite handy when you are somewhere outdoors. You can use a USB Type-C charger to refuel the pair. The Sony WH-910N comes as another premium product from Sony that delivers high on audio and is super comfortable to wear. Also, it has modern day features like the touch sensitive ear cups, multiple audio codecs and ANC support, and is a digital voice assistant enabled. Those who love the WH-1000XM3 will definitely be impressed by Sony's new offering. It's a treat for audiophiles with best-in-class features.